Thanks for tuning in. This is an unboxing and review of the Pagani Design PD-1767. I purchased this watch with my own money as part of my my watch journey to figure out what I like. The pictures, you can watch pictures and see videos, but you really don't appreciate, I guess is the word, appreciate a watch until you actually hold it and wear it for a week or two, up close, personal, see the fit and finish, how it fits into your life. So it's a Pagani flip-top box, the usual polishing cloth, and we've got the instruction manual, user's manual, which I'm probably never going to look at. I don't think any of us really do. It's a watch. I mean, once you've had one watch, they all pretty much all work the same, unless they have very unique features. Warranty card, which is sealed and unsigned, as usual, and the foam inserts, as we usually get with the Pagani Design. But because this watch doesn't have a bracelet, it's got this bag, which it's going to be real easy to take out of. I don't have to fiddle with any plastic. Very nice. And yeah, as expected, it's a lot nicer in person than like what you're seeing on the camera doesn't match what I have in person. It's a really nice finish. I could live without this inscription on the side, but everything's brushed. We've got drilled lugs to make strap changes a breeze, and I have every intention of doing that and have done it. And those images will be at the end of the video, along with some wrist rolls. The crown guards are really nicely done. The crown is a screw down. And some action here, because you'll notice this subdial here, that will give you a measure of how much power you've got in reserve, which in my life, it'll be very useful. So as I wind it, you'll notice that the dial is changing. The movement is nice and smooth. The screw down is buttery smooth. No noise or no extra noise. The sweeping sub-second dial is, again, that I could look at that for a long time. Bezel, though, rotating bezel, that's in my life. Whether or not I'll sell this watch on is still a debate, because my feeling towards a watch that in my collection is there doesn't need to be any features on it that I'm never going to use. So having a rotating bezel, I'm still on the fence as to whether or not I'll use that in my life. But the action on it is very good. Nice loud clicks, and back play, not a lot of back play with each click. The loom is actually quite good. There'll be a shot at the end of the video of the loom. 6 o'clock date position. You've got 200 meters of water resistance with a display case back. And the dial size is 41 millimeters. The lug width is 22. The lug to lug is 49. And it's using a 2C10 movement, which I'm not sure where it's from. I'll find out, and I'll put it in the description somewhere here. Synthetic sapphire crystal with what seems to be, I'm not sure if there's any AR coating, but there's probably a little bit. The glass is very, the dome is very shallow. The coin edge on the bezel doesn't protrude that much, so it's not offensive. The case thickness is measured at 14.5 millimeters, according to the description card. It weighs 108 grams with the supplied strap. which is a they say it's nylon, but it's yeah, I guess it feels nylon. But yeah, that's coming off. So what can I say about this? It's I wore it for a week, and I really, really, really liked it. It kept great time. It was very comfortable. I You can find these on sale quite frequently. I bought this from, let's see, where did I buy it from? I'm pretty sure I bought this from the Cutesliving Store because that's where I usually get most of my watches, mainly because they offer the best prices and they ship very, very quickly. Some of the stuff coming from AliExpress has taken, God, sometimes it takes 2 months. Typically from Cutesliving, it's here in 10 days. So I was pretty happy about that. Not really much else to say about this. It has really, really good wrist presence, which you'll see in the wrist roll videos. It's very, very easy to read. They are available in different colors. So there's this one's black, but there's also gray and blue and green. Depending on how things go, I might get the other colors. But that said, this ticks a lot of boxes for me, especially that 6 o'clock date window, and I love the power reserve. Anyway, here come the description card or the product info card that I pulled from the listing, as well as a loom shot and wrist rolls with strap swaps. I think it's time for coffee. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and have yourselves a great day. Feel free to comment or ask any questions, etc., etc.
I don't know.